Hi everyone, so today we're going to look at conjunctive adverbs yet again. Remember that conjunctions in general join things, and conjunctive adverbs are used to connect one clause to another. They can appear at the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of a sentence, and depending upon where they are punctuated differently. So first, let's look down here at the bottom. This is a list of 24 commonly used conjunctive adverbs. There are definitely more conjunctive adverbs, but these are some of the more common ones. I think the ones you see more than anything are going to be like however. It's probably one of the most common ones that you see. Furthermore, maybe consequently, finally, let's see, additionally, oops, additionally. All right, so anyway, these are some conjunctive adverbs. Notice that some of them are more than one word as a result, so it's a little phrase that works together as a conjunctive adverb. All right, now up to our learning. So conjunctive adverbs, here they're highlighted or they're bolded, I guess. And notice that they, like it says up here, they connect one clause to another. So here we have a conjunctive adverb in the middle of the sentence, and it says, Jeremy kept talking in class, therefore he got in trouble. When we put a conjunctive adverb in the middle of a sentence, we have to punctuate it. It's a little odd punctuation, but it is, here we go. It is a semicolon, conjunctive adverb, comma. And notice on each side of this semicolon, conjunctive adverb, comma, there is an independent clause. Jeremy kept talking in class. He got in trouble. All right. I did say up here that you could use it at the beginning of a sentence, and you can, and I've got it down here. So here it says, let me highlight from this way. However, she didn't find anything she wanted to buy. And so the sentence starts with however. However, comma, she didn't find anything she wanted to buy. This doesn't really make sense without a sentence in front of it. So if you use a conjunctive adverb at the beginning of a sentence, it needs to tie that sentence to the sentence before it. So here, this conjunctive adverb, however, is tying the rest of the sentence, she didn't find anything she wanted to buy, to the sentence that came before, she went into the store, period, start a new sentence, however, she didn't find anything she wanted to buy. You could, I can even type it out for you. You could type it like this. She went into the store, semicolon, however, comma, she didn't find anything, blah, 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 right? So you can do it either way. You can start your sentence with it, capital letter and just a comma, but make sure that that sentence then is tied to the sentence that came before it. Or you could make it all one sentence, like we did here, and in that case, you would punctuate it with that semicolon, conjunctive adverb, comma. All right. Here's another example, number 4. I like you a lot. In fact, I think we should be best friends. So here, in fact, is our conjunctive adverb, and it follows that same pattern. It is a semicolon, semicolon, conjunctive adverb, comma, with a sentence on either side. I like you a lot. I think we should be best friends. And this works, I say sentence, but it's a clause, so I don't want you to get confused. But a clause, independent clause, right, can stand alone as a sentence. But this is all one sentence. I like you a lot. In fact, I think we should be best friends. Or you could break it apart. I like you a lot, period. Capital I, in fact, right, comma, I think we should be best friends. Here's another example of using it at the beginning of the sentence. In addition, he dug up my petunias. Well, in addition to what? We don't know. So again, he dug up my petunias needs to relate to the sentence before it. So here we have, your dog got into my yard. In addition, he dug up my petunias. All right. So always this conjunctive adverb is connecting the clause in front of it to the clause behind it, whether it's in two separate sentences like this one, or whether it's in one single sentence like this. All right, one more example of it being in a single sentence. You're my best friend. Nonetheless, I feel like you're taking advantage of me. So here we have the conjunctive adverb in the middle of the sentence, semicolon in front, comma in back. All right, here's our practice. There's 5 sentences. You're gonna do 3 things. You're gonna identify the conjunctive adverb in the sentence, and then you're gonna punctuate and capitalize the sentence correctly. So it's going to depend. We know that the conjunctive adverb is going to be found somewhere in the middle. Now, when I say punctuate and capitalize correctly, that's because if you are keeping it all one sentence, you need that semicolon, conjunctive adverb, comma. But if you're going to turn it into 2 sentences, which is fine, you're going to need a period and then a capital letter at the start of your conjunctive adverb and a comma after the conjunctive adverb. So you can see, here I'll do these. So you can see how they're different. Period, capital letter, comma, or semicolon, lowercase, comma. 2 sentences, 1 sentence. All right. So I'll try to leave that on there for as long as I can. All right, so down here, number 1, you need to put more effort into your work, otherwise you won't get a passing grade. First question is, what's the conjunctive adverb? Did you find otherwise? So the conjunctive adverb is otherwise. Next, I want you to write this sentence out either as a single sentence or as 2 sentences. Punctuate and capitalize correctly. Don't forget the periods at the ends of the sentences. Whether you need the semicolon and the comma or you just need a period, capital letter, comma, that's up to you. All right, number 2. We wanted to spend the day at the beach. However, it rained, so we stayed home. What is the conjunctive adverb in this sentence? All right, however is our conjunctive adverb, however. Now notice I put a comma here, but that is because we have the fanboy, right? The coordinating conjunction so. So comma so is joining, we wanted to spend the day at the beach, or maybe it's joining it rained, right? To we stayed home. So this is a different comma. That comma needs to be there, so keep that comma in there. But now I want you to write this sentence with the correct capitalization and punctuation. All right, number 3. She's a very smart girl, therefore it is not at all surprising that she gets such good grades. What is the conjunctive adverb in this sentence? Good. Therefore. All right, now write this sentence using correct capitalization and punctuation. All right, number 4. He felt he couldn't tell the truth about what happened. Consequently, he lied. What is the conjunctive adverb in this sentence? All right, consequently is the conjunctive adverb. Now write this sentence out with correct capitalization and punctuation. Okay, last one. The tree has developed a large crack over the years. Eventually, it will have to be cut down for safety's sake. What is the conjunctive adverb in this sentence? All right. In this sentence, eventually is the conjunctive adverb. Now, rewrite this sentence using correct capitalization and punctuation. All right, that is our practice for today. Remember, the quiz tomorrow is just going to be the same quiz that we already took. We're going to retake it. So if you have any questions before you take that quiz, let me know. If you need me to reset your old progress on it, let me know. And have a great day.